this, I'm so educated. But 5 years in school, nigga can't even afford a job. But fuck that shit, so now I turn fraud. My mama getting more joy. I put my niggas on top. I'm never going below. I go against gravity, the nigga go up, never coming down. Shout out to my nigga, Valtino to the Valentino. Happy birthday, shout out to him. Happy to see. I don't know this nigga, but he's my plug anyway. Do you have some Colorado boy? You should pass it anyway. I don't give a shit. What's your name again? I could put you on the beat. Can you tell them what you want? Man, you should probably skip this. Man, I'm bumping. You good.
Boss brain, guy.
Flooz. Not time. No, we plan on.
Flooz. Hey, my biggest bad guy. Flooz.